7 ways to stand by something or someone, like supersizing your business, for example. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is to stand by someone, something, or something that you believe in. This idiom has been around. I didn't exactly find the history of it. I think it's a newer idiom. When I think the idea has been around for centuries that we stick up for and we stand up for, and we're consistent with what we believe in. Uh, it just means to support or be loyal to someone or something. And who's going to be loyal to your business if you're not? If you want to supersize and grow your business, you have to be your business's number one fan. So, what are some ways to stand up and support and keep consistent in your beliefs and your support of your own business and your own initiatives, of your own customers, of your own teammates, etc.? Number one, let's talk about 7 different ways to stand up for what you believe in. Well, first off, you have to know what you believe in and what you stand for. What about your business is something that you can passionately stand behind and stand up for? Second, you need to consciously choose your beliefs, right? I think a lot of the time we forget that we believe things, and why we believe them, we often never even question that. We had an experience when we were a child, and that formed a lasting mark, an indelible mark on our subconscious, and we believe it and we are passionate about our beliefs in it, but we're not even sure why, because we've never actually questioned as adults and consciously selected what we will and will not believe. We see this all the time in foods that we like or don't like. Has anyone ever hated a food when you were a kid and now you love it? I can think of dozens of foods that I wouldn't even try as a child that I absolutely are some of my favorite foods now. It's just like foods. Our beliefs are something that we have automatically accumulated over the decades for some of us, and we don't necessarily question. Number one, who do they belong to? Are they even our beliefs, or are they our parents, our teachers, a friend we had in 3rd grade? A lot of times we'll adopt beliefs of the people we hang out with, and even though our peer group changes and our situation changes and our living arrangements and everything change, we still have that voice of other people echoing in our head through some of those beliefs. Thirdly, we want to take action, do something, or say something when something goes against what we stand for, what we believe in. Fourth, we want to speak with impeccability. This is what I'm always working on, because sometimes I trip over my tongue and I don't say what I mean exactly. But we want to, before we speak, think, right? We want to think before we say something, especially if it isn't in support of the thing that we are standing by and standing for. Fourth, we want to remember and remain, we want to remain objective and keep our emotions in check when it comes to responding to different situations. Sixth, we want to compassionately respect others' perception and beliefs as valuable for them. We don't have to agree with it, but if we want people to accept what we believe in and what we stand for, then we have to be respectful enough to let them have their beliefs and stand for what they want to stand for. We don't have to agree with it, but we also don't have to talk bad about it or trash it or even comment on it just because it isn't our beliefs. Think of all of the things that you believe in that other people that you love and care about actually couldn't care less about. And then think of all the things that other people are passionate about that you're like, I don't know how they have the time and energy to support that when I'm barely having enough time and energy to raise my kids, etc. And then finally, let go of the outcome. Let go of your desire to control everything, especially the things that aren't controllable for us. We can control how we stand behind and how we build and how we grow our business. We cannot control how other people respond to how we choose to do that. So that's an outcome. We can't control other people's thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and behaviors. We can only control our own. So that's it. That's our idiom today. Stand by someone, stand by something. Love to know your experience with it. I am a firm believer that if you don't stand by your business and building it and supersizing it, nobody else is going to either, because you sure ought to care about your business more than anyone else. And if you don't, you have to ask yourself, why am I even in this business? All right. Have an awesome day. I'm going to keep battling COVID, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have a great day.